Hey, music lovers! Today, we're diving deep into the story of a legendary musician whose soulful voice and masterful keyboard playing helped shape the sound of classic rock and blues in the late 60s and 70s. You've heard him with Derek and the Dominos, and on the iconic album Layla and Other Assorted Love Songs. That's right, we're talking about Bobby Whitlock, so let's jump right in. Bobby Whitlock was born on March 18, 1948 in Memphis, Tennessee, and raised in Arkansas. Growing up in the heart of the South, he was surrounded by gospel music and the deep blues traditions of the Mississippi Delta. Bobby started out playing in church, and by his teens, he was already getting attention for his soulful voice and musical talent. His first big break came when he started hanging around Stax Records in Memphis. The home of soul legends like Otis Redding and Booker T. Bobby became the first white artist to be signed to the Stax label, which was groundbreaking at the time. He learned from the best, absorbing the grooves of soul and R&B, which would define his style forever. In the late 60s, Bobby joined Delaney and Bonnie and Friends, a band famous for mixing rock, soul, and gospel. This was a turning point because the group included some of the biggest names in music. George Harrison, Eric Clapton, and Duane Allman would all cross paths with them. Bobby's raw, passionate vocals and Hammond organ playing stood out, and this opened doors to rock royalty. Then came 1970, the year Bobby joined Derek and the Dominos, formed by Eric Clapton. Together, they recorded one of the greatest rock albums of all time, Layla and Other Assorted Love Songs. Bobby co-wrote classics like Bell Bottom Blues and Tell the Truth, and his harmonies and keyboard work were essential to that warm, bluesy sound. After Derek and the Dominos fell apart, Bobby launched a solo career, releasing albums like Bobby Whitlock and Raw Velvet. He also worked with huge names like George Harrison, playing on the legendary All Things Must Pass album. Despite stepping away from the spotlight for a while in later years, Bobby made a big comeback in the 2000s, releasing new music and touring again. Bobby Whitlock's music is timeless, a perfect blend of rock, soul, and blues. His voice, his songwriting, and his keyboard playing have left a mark on some of the most iconic recordings in rock history. From Stax Records to Derek and the Dominos, Bobby Whitlock is a true unsung hero of classic rock. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Bobby Whitlock's life, hit that like button, subscribe for more music stories, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite Derek and the Dominos track? Until next time, keep the music alive.